Hello, my little friends. How are you all today? Welcome back to Cute Color Pages. Today we're going on a magical journey together. Guess what? We're going to draw and color a cute little princess in her enchanted garden. Doesn't that sound exciting? I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. So grab your pencils, erasers, markers, and coloring supplies. And let's get started. Before we start drawing, let's get our hands and fingers ready. All right, let's start with the big tree in the top left corner. Ready? First, we'll draw the treetop. Use your pencil to make a big, fluffy, cloud-like shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. Trees in magical gardens can look however you want. Now, let's draw the tree trunk. 2 long lines going down and then connect them at the bottom. You can make it a little wavy if you like. Great job! Interactive question. What kind of tree do you think this is? I think it's a magical candy tree. What about you? Maybe it grows sparkly fruit. Let me know your ideas in the comments. Now let's decorate our tree. Let's add some cute little flowers hanging from the branches. To draw a flower, make a small circle in the middle and draw tiny petals all around it. You can draw as many flowers as you like, maybe 3, 4, or even 10. Wow, look at your tree. It's already looking magical. Yay, now it's time to draw our beautiful little princess. She's the star of our picture. Let's start with her face. Draw a small oval shape in the center of your paper. Got it? Perfect. Now let's add her hair. We'll draw long wavy lines flowing down from her head. Make her hair as dreamy as you like. Should our princess have a crown? Of course she should. Draw 3 little pointy triangles on top of her head to make a shiny royal crown. She's already looking so pretty, don't you think? Next, let's draw her dress. Start with a small triangle shape for her upper body. Now draw a big wide skirt below. It's shaped like a bell. You can even add some wavy lines on her skirt to make it extra fancy. She looks just like a princess from a fairy tale. Let me know in the comments what you'd name our princess. I think she looks like a Princess Bella. What do you think now? Let's complete our scene by adding some flowers in the bottom right corner. Start by drawing a small circle, then add little petals all around. You can make some flowers big and some small. It's totally up to you. Don't forget to draw stems and leaves to complete your flowers. Let's also add a soft grassy hill under the princess and flowers. Just draw a smooth curved line across the bottom. There we go. Our garden is looking so lively now. Fantastic work, little artists. Now it's time to outline our drawing with a black marker or pen. Carefully go over the lines we've drawn. This will make our picture stand out and look super neat. Don't rush, take your time, and have fun tip. Go slow while outlining to keep your lines smooth. All right, now the most fun part, coloring. Let's start with the tree. Use a brown color for the trunk and a green color for the leaves. You can even add a bit of yellow or light green to make it look extra magical. What colors are you using? I'd love to see your colorful trees. Now, let's color our princess. For her dress, I'm using light pink, but you can use any color you like. Purple, blue, even rainbow colors. For her hair, I'll go with golden yellow. And her crown? Let's make it shiny gold. Wow, she's looking so royal and beautiful. Time to color the flowers. Use bright colors like pink, yellow, orange, or purple for the petals. And for the grass, use green to make it look fresh and lively. You can even add some tiny colorful dots to make it look like there are more magical flowers in the background. To complete our scene, let's add a soft blue color for the sky and draw a few fluffy white clouds. You can also add some tiny butterflies or sparkles to make the scene even more magical. Just a few little details can make such a big difference. Wow, look at our masterpiece! You've done an amazing job, little artists. Our princess and her magical garden looks so colorful and beautiful. Give yourself a big round of applause. Yay, thank you so much for drawing and coloring with me today. I had so much fun, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to take a picture of your artwork and share it with me. I'd love to see your creations. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time, my little artists. Bye-bye.